So this is the bridge, and we're just going to have a wander along, and I'll give you a quick show of where the guys had to come. They went down on this side, and that's the plant up there. Don't know if you can just see the plant, but it's a fair old lick. And have a look down here, and then this should have been the bridge that the Germans were patrolling, and the guys would have had to come up there. No mean feat in the extreme weather conditions that they had. So I've come down to the ferry. Now, I had a chat with a guy up at the museum, and he was saying that at the moment there's two ships. There's a diesel one, and there's the steam one. The steam one is a sister ship of the one that was sunk during the war, but this is where they actually filmed the train going on to the onto the ferry. There's Rummy over there, look. So the train would have come along these tracks here, and we get round this bit of a corner, and there's the bit for the ferry to go on. So this is it, Rjukan Ferry. So yeah, so that night in it was 1944. There was 3 guys that got onto the ferry and laid explosives. So this is showing what it used to look like. But they actually came and did the filming for the Heroes of Telemark here, using the sister ship of the one that left here at 8 o'clock in the morning, and at 9 o'clock as she went round the corner in the deepest part of the fjord, she blew up and sunk within a few minutes. So this is the actual tracks that the actual train was loaded onto, and this is where they did the actual filming for the Heroes of Telemark. And I think that is probably, looks like a diesel one to me, but the steam one is in for a refit at the moment. So this is where it was actually filmed. Brilliant. So I shan't go any further than that. So that's another little piece of the jigsaw. Those trucks there could have been used for transporting the heavy water down from the plant at Volmark. It's incredible to think what went on here back in, I think it was 1944, they actually did the shipping. So there's another look back. Incredible. So the guy was telling me that in normal years, occasionally they run the steam ferry and the diesel ferry during the summer months for tourists. Apparently that's not happening this year because they're both having a refit. The steam one is having the boilers redone because it had the turbines done. No, it had the boiler done last year, and this year they're doing the steam turbines. So that's what's happening with that one. And the diesel one, he said that that's also having some work done on it. So they're not going to be running the ferries this year, unfortunately.